in the given figure, AB, EF, and CD are perpendicular to BD. If AB and CD are 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters each, find the length of EF. Okay, now this is one of the questions जो मैं classroom में हमेशा करना चाहता था similarity के, and I believe कि similarity के हर class में ये question तो होना ही चाहिए. Okay, because it's a very good question. It's actually a very good question to clear your concepts, and इससे result आएगा जो आप हमेशा याद रख सकते हैं. Okay. AB and CD are given as 4 and 3. So I'll forget about them. I need to observe that there is a triangle. Okay, triangle BEF, if you can observe, and triangle BCD, right? Can you observe these two triangles, guys? Triangle BEF, okay, the small triangle, and the big triangle BCD, sorry. So guys, in both of these triangles, if you observe, B is the common angle, right? Angle B is common to both of them. Okay, so B is a common angle. Okay, and ये दो angles को 90 degree दिया ही है अपने को. So triangle BEF is similar to triangle BCD. Okay, by the AA test of similarity again. Okay, it will be the most common test. Okay, in case of right angle triangles mostly. Okay, so we write the ratio of the corresponding sides BF by BD equals to EF by CD. Now, guys, same way we can observe two more triangles. Triangle DEF you can see here. Okay, and triangle DAV you can observe over here, right? So for these two triangles also the 90 degrees angle hai, or angle D is same in both of them. D is the common angle, right? So triangles DEF and triangle DAB are similar by the AA test. Again, I write the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, now from the first equation, okay, take BD on the right hand side. You will have EF by CD multiplied by BD, right? Same way in the next case also you take BD or DB on the right hand side. You'll have DF equals to EF upon AB into BD, right? Now what you do is you add these two equations. Okay, when you add these two equations, guys, by geometry, okay, BF plus DF will be how much? BF plus DF will be nothing but BD. So the left hand side I can replace by BD. And anyway, guys, from the right hand side, I can take BD common from these two, right? Okay, so BD cancel ho jayega. Ultimately, you will have 1 equals to EF into 1 upon CD plus 1 upon AB. Okay, this gives you EF equals to AB into CD upon AB plus CD. Okay, next step, you put in the values. You get the value of EF equals to 4 into 3 divided by 4 plus 3 divided by 7. Now ये सब तामझाम करके हमें एक चीज मालूम पड़ी है guys. EF is AB into CD divided by AB plus CD in this case. Okay, तो जब भी एक perpendicular line ऐसी draw की है हमने, right here AB, दूसरा perpendicular line draw किया CD, and when I join the foot of the perpendiculars to the head, okay, दूसरे वाले के foot से अगर मैंने किसी भी एक perpendicular का head join किया, okay, एक और perpendicular EF form हो रहा है, right? So EF is basically harmonic mean of these two values divided by 2. Alright, so always remember, guys, in this case, जब भी ऐसा EF एक line form होगा between two perpendiculars, okay, AB and CD, EF is formed. EF is the harmonic mean upon 2 of these two values. It's as simple as that. Okay, so with that we go on to the next question, guys. In triangle ABC, right triangle at B, AC is divided by the point O, which is also the center of semicircle in such a way that AO is 15 units and CO is 20 units. Find the radius of the semicircle. Okay, all right, you can again try it out if you want, and then we'll discuss. All right, guys. So see, majority of the concepts, okay, similarity वाला तो I have covered, Pythagoras theorem. यहाँ पे एक concept और लगने वाला है basically about the tangent perpendicularity. Okay, whenever a line meets circle at one point, it is called the tangent to the circle. इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे circles में detail में आगे जाके. And tangent at any point on the circle is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so I draw the two radii here, OD and OE. Okay, and denote the radius by capital R. Okay. So now, guys, I also take EC as equal to Y, and I observe that there are two lines here. Okay, lines OD and line BC, across which AC is a transversal, right? So, guys, across transversal AC, I can say that angle AOD will be equal to angle ACB. Can you observe this, guys? Okay, the two blinking angles here, right? Angle AOD and angle ACB both are equal because they are corresponding angles. And also, guys, we already know ADO is 90. Okay, and OEC to है 90. Okay, both the angles are 90. Tangent perpendicularity से आ गया ये और ये भी, right? So there are two triangles being formed, guys. You can observe in red. Okay, triangle ADO and triangle OEC. Triangle ADO and triangle OEC. Okay, these two triangles will be basically similar by the AA test, right? And I write the ratio of the corresponding sides. AO upon OC will be DO divided by EC. Okay, so put in the values. इसी को मैंने y माना था. I get y equals to 4r by 3. Now I'll directly apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle OEC. This triangle. Okay, one side is r, the other is y, which we got as 4r by 3, and one is 20. So applying Pythagoras theorem, guys, you can calculate the value of r square as 144 or r equals to 12 units. Now, without doing all this, there is a much quicker way to solve the same question, guys, and that is by using Pythagorean triplets. How? See, we first draw the perpendiculars, okay, the radii. We factorize 15 as 5 into 3, right guys? And we know that basically 5 agar hypotenuse hai is multiplied by 3, so it could be the 3 4 5 triplet, isko 3 se multiply kiya gaya hai, so my sides could be 9 12 or 15. Okay, one possibility. Same way नीचे वाले triangle में hypotenuse is 20. 20 is what guys? 5 into 4. That means it could be the 3 4 5 triplet जिसे 4 से multiply किया गया है. Okay, so this could be the 12 16 and 20 triplet. Okay, now this is confirmed that ये triplet है भाई. इन दोनों triplets में एक perpendicular side guys common आएगा. Okay, rather these two perpendicular sides will be common. जो कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 12, right? 12 is the common value, so the radius is nothing but 12 in this case, right? That's the answer. As simple as that. Okay, so this is the beauty of knowing triplets, guys. You know, many a times you don't need to even solve the actual question by the conventional way. You can just observe and see कि हाँ triplets है बन रहा है तो एक ही तरीका होगा. Well, that's the only way, right?